Number 3 is Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Printer. When finding the best sublimation printer under $1,500, the Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 is a shining star that will ignite creativity. With its cutting-edge technology and vibrant color reproduction, this printer is a game-changer in the world of sublimation. Say goodbye to dull prints because the SG500 delivers stunning, eye-popping results that will leave you in awe. Its easy-to-use design makes it perfect for beginners and seasoned professionals, allowing you to bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. But that's not all. The SG500 has a fantastic starter ink set, ensuring you can start printing immediately. And for those who crave even more vibrant colors, the second set of inks will have you covered, providing an extended printing experience. To further enhance your creative journey, Sawgrass offers the CreativeStudio Online Designer. With this powerful tool, you can unleash your imagination, creating unique designs that captivate anyone who sees them. Do you want support? Fear not! Sawgrass has your back with its lifetime support and 2-year manufacturer warranty. So if you like this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.